People are complaining ngendaba ye-youngins. Angithi you saw ukuthi it came back again. And then now-ke this time isinoGoslubi, inoThando, nomunye futhi uThando lo kaPeltusi. People are like, why? People are even saying, guys, on X ukuthi they're gonna boycott it. I was just like, please, that's a bit much. But bafila ukuthi emalini noGoslubi namangakhe. But just started dragging him ke yamazi-ke uzobe ethenga 2023 wathi uthenge enye indlu ya 4 million. Guys, can we be realistic? Sometimes like, please, he's making a lot of money yebo, but ezinye izinto you can just say ukuthi it's a lot. And then during that whole thing becomplainer wavele wayothenga imoto. Do you like, please stop, you hired that car. Yeah. Someone even said no, vele rented cars kodwa nazo zabhadalwa mos akuyekwe umona. Umzansi must please stop with the umona. I was just like, yeah, mhlambe that could be true. Khona abanye bafeel ukuthi is a bit much. Yeah. And then bese kuzoba uEnhle Mbali. uEnhle Mbali, guys, angazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni yazi. Avele wamosha this cutting hair situation yakhe, this brand. Guys, was crazy. Ubani ongayifuni? I'm sure uyadreama ngami awulela ebusuku ukuthi oh my gosh ngicela ukuvuka nginayo nami. Yazi guys, it has not even started. Kwavele kwathiwa sisi please, you said some K word, we done with you. Asihlangana nalezo zinto kanjalo ezi low like that. I don't know what happened there actually. I'm just like, what actually happened there? Kuvele kwaphela guys overnight. Hongel esemuhle kangaka doing that hair. And ngisamncoma last week ngithi oh my gosh, what a beautiful brand to do. You know, kanti kuzophela ngakaqali. She hasn't responded around the whole thing, but it's out there. It ended in tears.